What's up guys, Dave here. We need to have a talk. We need to talk about ratchet straps. Honestly, is there a worse thing to tie down your side-by-side with than these? I don't think so. I'm going to show you why they're terrible. And I'm going to show you the solution that I'm using now that has turned out to be quite amazing. I love it. So stay tuned. Let's get it on. So here's my solution to the crappy straps. I got these on Amazon. It's a wheel chock kit, strap kit, made by Erickson. They cost $31 per set. You need 2 sets if you're gonna tie down all 4 tires. And I got it installed today, and first impressions, they are solid. Yeah, sorry about the wind, if there's any wind noise on this video. But I'm quite happy. They took about 30 minutes to install, and I took some video of me driving around after the install. We'll compare it to what we just saw with just the regular tie downs. There you go guys, simple solution to a common problem. No more loose straps going down the road. I really like these because you're not worrying about your straps coming loose every time you hit a bump. You're strapped on the tire, so every time your suspension compresses, it doesn't matter. It's safer, I think. It's just a lot better system. Anyways, long term, I don't know how they'll hold up. They seem like a quality product. It's a good, I don't know, 2.5 inch strip, 2 inch strap at least. I don't think it's not 3 inches, but I like the E-track system that they got there. It's very simple to use, works really good. Anyways, if you like what we're providing as far as content, like, subscribe, hit that little bell, and let us know what kind of videos you'd like to see. We got a lot more stuff planned, but we want to make stuff that you guys want to see, so not just what we want to see. Anyways, have a good one.